Hi, this is a how it works video on casting and order of operations. So I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. We have a bit of code here. First, we're going to declare some variables. Our first number and second number, as you notice, they're integers. And in this first example, we're going to have a third number, which is also an integer. And that expression is going to be the first number divided by the second number. In our second example, we declare a double type variable. This will be the fourth number. And again, it's going to be the first number divided by the second number. In our third example, it's that fourth number again, but this time we're casting a double on the first number. And pay attention to the parentheses, they're very important. Again, it's the first number divided by the second number. In our fourth example, we're casting the double outside of the first order of operations, which is first number divided by second number, and this will have a different result than our third example. So let's compile this, all right, and run it, and we'll see that the results are all a little different. So as expected, on the first example, we get an integer, 3. It rounds down. It doesn't consider anything past the first, in the ones place. It doesn't consider the 10th decimal place. In the second example, the fourth number, we declared it to be a double, so it returns a double, but of course, the operation here is the numbers are still integers. So when it divides, it still only considers some integers and it returns a 3. In the third example, we declared the first number, or we cast the first number as a double, which forces Java to do this first order of operation as a double. And then in our fourth example, you see that we cast the double outside of the first order of operation. So it still treats these as integers, but then turns it into a double as the second order of operation. And as you can see by the output, it's still a 3. So yeah, order of operation, very important. If you want to cast things in a manner where you get the double type number and you want to make use of all those decimal places, you have to cast it in the order of operations where the expression is occurring. So that's it for this video. I hope it was informative. And yes, I lifted this directly from the homework. All right, thank you. Goodbye.